So first of all, I'm going to show you the cuttings that we planted in the previous video. Let's take a look at them. This one here was the first cutting we planted, but it is dried up. I don't know why it dried and it didn't sprout either. That means it hasn't succeeded yet. We will wait 4 to 5 more days to see whether it sprouts or not. Now the new method we tried. If you open it and look closely, you can see a slight green bump on the tip. Maybe you can see this small green tip. It has just started to grow. I will cover it again and hopefully it will sprout within 3 to 4 days. Then we will check whether it has formed roots or not. Usually, cuttings don't form roots very fast, but we will still try to observe it. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different methods of lemon cloning. First, we will talk about the cutting method, how lemon cloning is done through cuttings. So here, we are finding a suitable cutting. This is the cutting I found for my lemon plant. It is a seedless lemon variety, a really amazing one. Let's cut this branch. This kind of cutting easily develops roots and sprouts quickly. Now I'll cut it to the size I need. Then I'll remove the leaves from below, keeping only the top 2 leaves. I am cutting the leaves carefully with the pruner so the branch doesn't get damaged. Now I have kept the top 2 leaves. Next, I will cut the base of the cutting at a 45-degree angle. So here I am cutting it at 45 degrees to make it suitable for rooting. After this, before applying the rooting hormone, I will smoothen the cut with a knife to make it cleaner so that roots can develop more easily. A neat cut is very important. So I have cleaned it with a knife and now the cutting is fully ready. For the rooting hormone, I have aloe vera. I will dip the cutting into aloe vera gel and apply it well. Now the cutting is ready to plant. I will plant it in good quality soil. If the medium is good, roots will form faster and spread better. Here I have an organic compost mixture with a little cocoa peat. I have planted the cutting in this mixture. Now I'll water it. Make sure the pot has proper drainage at the bottom so excess water can escape. Add water carefully, do not overwater, otherwise the cutting will rot. Now I'll place it aside and check again after about 3 months to see whether it has sprouted or not. Now let's move to the second method. In this method, we will grow from seeds. Growing lemon from seed takes a long time, many months of waiting. So instead of lemon, I prefer to take orange seeds, because orange seeds germinate much faster than lemon seeds. This method is used for lemon only for the purpose of grafting later. So here I've taken an orange. I will cut it in half and take out 5 to 6 good seeds. Even though some seeds got cut, I still got some that are fine. I'll take these 6 seeds and clean them with wood ash. Wood ash helps remove the slimy coating and improves germination. After cleaning them with ash, they will germinate better. Once the plant grows, we will graft lemon onto after a year or so. This method is long and time-consuming, which is why I don't prefer it much, but I'm still showing it to you. Now, I'll plant the seeds in this organic compost. Seed germination rate is low, only 1 or 2 may sprout, and the rest may rot because these are not hybrid seeds. I will cover them slightly with compost and add some water to maintain moisture. Now we will keep these seeds aside. After around 2 years, the plant will grow like this. Although it will not be a real orange variety, it will be a base plant for grafting lemon. For air layering, you can see this branch. It's about the thickness of a pencil. I will make a circular cut about 1 to 2 inches long and remove the outer bark from there. From here, I will carefully remove the outer layer of the bark. And I will also remove the inner bark. We will slowly peel off this outer skin from here. Make sure to remove it properly. You must select a good, healthy branch. Only a good branch grows quickly. In my opinion, with the air layering method, a healthy new plant is ready within 2 months. That's why I prefer air layering, because it grows very well. Now I am removing its outer cambium layer as well. The benefit of removing the cambium layer is that roots form much faster. I will clean it properly from here. After that, you should wash it with water. Once it is washed, apply rooting hormone. The rooting hormone I have is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a good natural rooting hormone, so I will apply it here like this. I have applied the rooting hormone. You can cover it with polythene, or I also have a device here, so I will cover it with that. You can use polythene as well. It is not necessary to use this device. I am only using this device to demonstrate the method. Now I will fill it with organic compost. Instead of organic compost, you can also use soil, whatever you prefer. Just make sure it contains nutrition. That's all that matters. I have filled it with the mixture, and now I will cover it properly. Air layering gets ready within 2 months, and a new cloned lemon plant is formed. So, the purpose of explaining all 3 methods is to show that the best method, in my opinion, is lemon air layering. When we talk about multiplying lemon plants, 3 methods come to mind: air layering, grafting, and cuttings. Each method has its own strengths and weaknesses, and understanding them helps us decide which one suits our needs best. Air layering is often chosen when we want fast and reliable results. In this method, the branch remains attached to the mother tree while it develops roots. The biggest advantage here is that the new plant keeps all the qualities of the original tree and starts fruiting much earlier than normal cuttings. It also has a higher success rate and works well with even varieties that don't root easily. However, air layering demands patience. It can take weeks to root, and the process needs careful handling. Moisture control, proper wrapping, and regular checks. If too many layers are made on one plant, it can weaken the mother tree. So while it's effective, it isn't the best method for large-scale production.
Grafting, on the other hand, is a favorite among professional growers. This technique uses a strong, disease-resistant rootstock and attaches a desired lemon variety onto it. The result is a powerful combination. Trees that start fruiting early resist diseases better and often live longer. Grafting also allows us to combine different varieties on the same plant if we want to experiment. But it requires skill. A small mistake can cause the graft to fail, and not every scion matches every rootstock. Plus, grafting responds to seasons. It works best during spring or early monsoon when the plant's sap flow is strong. Cuttings are the simplest and cheapest method. Anyone can do it without special tools. Just take a healthy branch, treat it with rooting hormone, and plant it. This method is perfect for mass propagation and for people who are just starting. But compared to air layering and grafting, cuttings have the lowest success rate. They root slowly, especially in cold weather, and often produce weaker plants. These plants also take longer to bear fruit, and improper care increases the chance of fungus and stem rot. Each technique has its place. Air layering gives reliability, grafting gives strength and early fruiting, and cuttings give simplicity and quantity. The right method depends on what you want: speed, strength, or convenience. And if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful gardening tips.